Provide insulated protective cover as gift for long-lasting use. The shockproof design makes the refrigerator could withstand the hard environment. Sturdy and durable platinum paint shell for long-term using, heavy-duty corner cap, built-in spring steel handles. 89 can 355 milliliters capacity, dual-zone cooling compartment. You can set the same temperature for the freezer on both sides or set be cooler than the other. Moreover, you can choose to turn off one zone for the purpose of energy saving or capacity requirements. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.